Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This lesson is for class 7 subject English. Students, today our topic is lesson number 1 from Iqra Applied Grammar book 2. We will discuss from page 5 to page 8. Students, noted that this lesson is only for the students of Varsak branch, while other students will watch their video about Iqra English Grammar book 4. Students, this is your Iqra Applied Grammar book 2 for the students of class 7. Students, the exercise pattern will be same just like the 6th level Iqra Applied Grammar book 1. So let's start our unit number 1, simple present tense. Students, you have read in your 6th class about simple present tense. It is used to talk about habitual actions and routine. It is used to talk about habitual actions and routine. ऐसे काम जिसके आप आदी हों या रोज़मर्रा की बुनियादों पर आप जो काम करते हैं उनको आप सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. Students, we know very well about the structure of simple present tense, subject plus verb plus object. According to the subject, for the subject I, you, we, they and plural noun, we will use first form of verb plus object. And we know very well that for subject he, she, it and singular noun, we will use first form of verb plus object. So let's come back to our topic, which is simple present tense. In this lesson we will discuss our routine and habits. Students, routine means रोज़मर्रा की बुनियादों पर आप जो काम करते हैं and habits mean आदतें. So in this lesson we will discuss our routine and habits. जो रोज़मर्रा की बुनियादों पर आप काम करते हैं या अपनी आदतें, उनको बयान करने के लिए आप simple present tense का sentence use करते हैं. So let's start to read a poem. Sing aloud together. Let's sing it. I clean, I wash, I eat, so I will grow. Who makes my food? I want to know. I cut, I draw, my art I show. I sit, I sing, up high, down low. I look, I jump, I find a nest. I trip, I fall, I need a rest. Students, look at the pics. All of these shows our habits and daily routine. So the words that are written with bold words all are verbs through which we express our routine and habits in the sentences of simple present tense. Learn grammar. As we know about the definition, that simple present tense is used to talk about habitual actions and routine. रोज़मर्रा की बुनियादों पर जो काम हम करते हैं या अपनी आदतों को बयान करने के लिए हम इस सेंटेंस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Students, we know very well about the structure of simple present tense, that for subject I, we, you, they and plural noun, we will use just first form of verb then object in our sentence, while for subject he, she, it and singular noun, we will use first form of verb with word s, with letter s or es. We will use first form of verb and s or es with subject he, she, it and singular noun. Keep in mind, for plural noun we will use first form of verb and for singular noun we will use first form of verb with the addition of s or es. यहाँ मेंशन नहीं है, बट आपको माइंड में ये बात बिठाना होगी, that for the subject I, we, you, they and plural noun we will use first form of verb plus object in our sentence, while for subject he, she, it and singular noun we will use first form of verb with the addition of s or es. So let's start to read some sentences. I sleep late on Saturday. We take care of animals. You take exercise daily. They work at a restaurant. He starts his class in the morning. She cooks dinner for the family. It rains heavily in summer. Students, in the case of negative sentence, because these are the positive sentence, but in the case of negative sentence एक काम जो आप नहीं करते उनको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए आप एडिशन करेंगे not की with auxiliary. So for subject I, we, you, they, we will write auxiliary do in negative statement. Negative sentences में आप सब्जेक्ट आई, वी, यू, दे एंड प्लूरल नाउन के साथ डू नॉट यूज करेंगे. डू इज ऑक्सिलरी एंड for subject he, she, it and singular noun you will use auxiliary does with the addition of not in negative sentence. So if in positive sentence we say he starts his class in the morning, in negative statement we will say he does not start his lesson in the morning. She cooks dinner for the family. She does not cook dinner for the family. It rains heavily in summer. It does not rain heavily in summer. For subject I, we, you, they, अगर हम इनके साथ नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट में क्या करेंगे, डू नॉट लगाएंगे. बट इन negative sentences for the subject he, she, it and singular noun we will use auxiliary does with the addition of not. I hope you have understand. Now come to our practice. Exercise A, circle the correct option. As you can see, the first one has been done for you. It snow or snows in winter. We know very well that for subject it we will use first form of verb with the addition of s. It snows in winter. Amna plays in the orchard daily. So as we know, Amna is singular noun, that's why we will use first form of verb with the addition of s or es. Amina plays in the orchard daily. They do not know the answer. She does not plant a tree in every summer season. You always complete your homework in time. Sixth one, honeybees prepare honey in the beehive. Student, from these sentences we come to the conclusion that these sentences shows routine and habits. Exercise B. Look and complete the sentences with the words below. First we should read the words not like, fall, rise, not get up, wear, take. The first one has been done for you. The sun rises in the east. Students, look at the picture. It will be easy for you. You will be able to fill your blanks. Second one, she takes. We will add s with the verb take. She takes an umbrella during the summer. We wear warm clothes in winter. Leaves fall, because leaves are plural noun, that's why we will use just first form of verb without the addition of s or es. Leaves fall from trees in the autumn, as you can see in the picture. Children do not like. Instead of writing not like, we will use auxiliary, as we know that in negative statement for plural noun we will use auxiliary do not. Children do not like to take medicine. He does not get up early in the morning. Instead of writing not get up, we will write does not, because here the subject he is used. He does not get up early in the morning. Extended practice. Student, you can also take help from the pics. You should look the pic. These are the pictures. Look and complete the sentences. You can easily see the tick and cross on the pictures. From the help of these pictures, you will be able to make your sentences, your own sentences. So let's start. The first one has been done for you. He rides a bicycle. As you can see in the picture, he does not fly a kite. Second one, she does not write a letter. Look at the picture. She reads a book. Yes, she reads a book. They eat ice cream. They do not drink coffee. They do not drink coffee. You watch television. We know very well for subject you we will use just first form of verb. You watch television. Take up on the picture. You do not play cricket. I do not cook food. I teach maths. I teach maths. We can see tick on the pic. We go to the school. We do not visit a library. Word bank. Come to this portion. Let's start to read the words. We will learn some new words. Wash the dishes, mop the floor, take a bath, eat sandwiches, help the poor, watch television, waste time, play games, do homework, wash the clothes, offer prayer, recite the Holy Quran, visit a historical place, take breakfast, cook food, go to school, go to the office, get ready, have a bath, wear a uniform. Learn to speak. Come to our oral activity. Students, the oral activity you will share with your friend or your classmates. Assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Tell 3 things that you do every day. You will share about yourself 3 things with your friends. Tell 3 things that you do not do every day. Tell 3 things that your mother does every day, like she cooks food for you, she presses uniform for you. Tell 3 things that your father does on Sunday. Ask and reply. Student, this is also an oral activity. You can give the answer shortly. Just like do, I, we, you, they. Get up early. Student, for the interrogative sentence structure, first we should write auxiliary do for the subject I, we, you, they. In the beginning, we will use auxiliary do in the beginning of the sentence, then subject, then verb. Students, and for the subject he, she, it, we will use auxiliary does in the beginning of interrogative sentence. For subject he, she, it, and singular noun. So, do I get up early? You can say answer just like yes I do or no I don't. Does he get up early? Yes he does or no he doesn't. आप इजीली सेंटेंस का यूज़ कर सकते हैं, शॉर्ट आंसर दे सकते हैं. Number 1, do you study regularly? If you study, so you can say the answer yes I do. If you do not, then you can give the answer no I don't. Do you speak English in school? Does your mother take care of you? Does your father get to work daily? Do you help your friends in their studies? Student, all of the things you will share with your classmates by using the short answer. You can give the short answers. Learn to write 12 sentences on your Sunday routine. Student, this is your activity. You will write 12 sentences about your Sunday routine in your activity copy. Sunday routine, आप संडे में क्या करते हैं, संडे के दिन आप क्या करते हैं, आपकी रूटीन क्या होती है, उसके बारे में आपने 12 सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं और अपनी रफ कॉपी या एक्टिविटी कॉपी में लिखने हैं. and write this work in your Iqra Applied Grammar Book 2.